Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all the videos you have liked on YouTube. This is super helpful if you want to go back and watch something you enjoyed or share it with your friends. So let's get started. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. This method works the same whether you are on Android or iOS. And once you are on YouTube, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you will see a playlist called Liked Videos. This is where YouTube automatically saves all the videos you have given a thumbs up. Tap on it to view the list. Here you will find all the videos you have liked. Starting from the most recent, you can scroll through and watch any of them again with just one tap. If you want to remove a video from your Liked Videos playlist, just tap on the three dots on the video and tap on Remove from Liked Videos. And that's it. Now you know how to easily find and watch all the videos you have liked on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.